Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? Now I will do SKL again about English, of course. And good morning, good evening, good night, and whatever. And now guys, I will do SKL. The SKL is lettering, retelling, motivational letter. Yeah, that. Nah, my dream university is Telkom University, but I forgot. Before I will introduce myself. The first is myself. My name is Rizky Durmalidan, and I am from Central Java in Klaten, and now I'm study at IBN Boarding School Solo, and the major is IT, especially in software engineer. Like I can make a website, some app, and I can make design UI UX, also design poster, design graphic, and others, guys. And I'm 17 years old this year. Yeah, and maybe without further ado, let's start, guys. Nah, like before, guys, my university is Telkom University in Bandung. As you know, Telkom University is strong in IT education and business education, guys. This university is the address is in Telekomunikasi number 1 Bandung, and terusan Buah Batu, Bojong Soang, Sukapura, Kecamatan Dayakolot, Kabupaten Bandung, and West Java, guys. And guys, I'm so interested to enter this university because they have strong IT, strong IT education, and strong on business program, guys. So that's why I'm so interested to enter this university, guys. And from a chill from my from I enter at IBN. I'm so interested to IT, yes, whatever IT, that's design, software engineer, and network engineer, robotic, and others, guys. So that's why I interested to enter this university, guys. That is Telkom. And then I searching in Google the some of university were good in IT and business have on Telkom, guys. Then and then I need school archive for enter this university because I need this school archive because I worry, guys, to my parents. If in halfway I studies in this university not cannot to spend money for me because so big ya. You know, Indonesia for become a mahasiswa, you need a big money, guys. So that's why I need this scholarship, guys. And what my expectation when I get this scholarship and then I can enter the university, my expectation is I can build, I can improve, I can build my skills. I can improve my skill from at IDN to university. Yeah. So what? Yes, I want to have, and I want to have a new friend, new connection, maybe international connection, guys. Because this university is a big university, guys. So I want to have a new environment from international guys. Then I wanna have new experience in IT world, and in business world, yes. Because in a future I want to be a freelance or maybe entrepreneur, guys. So that's why this scholarship so important for me. This university so important for me, guys, because I want to have many of experience in IT and businesses. Because when in the future I have dream. I can slow living. I can work from my home, with a coffee, with short pants, with a short, not wear just or other, guys, not use shoes, but is just in home, just take santuy, guys, become a freelance, guys, because when I in a university I will make international connection, guys. So when I freelance I will looking for client from outside of Indonesia, guys, like that. And I want to have a business like have a mini market, supermarket, cafe, restaurant, and others, yes. So that's why this scholarship at Telkom University so important for me, and especially for me. My parents have tua, guys. And what? Wait. If I can get this scholarship in my life, I will work hard to studies in Telkom University until I die. I will study again because I get scholarship. Yes, scholarship. Like that. Scholarship. Wait, guys. After I graduate from this university, as like I say, I will be an entrepreneur and freelancer, and be a success people, guys. And I will build my business, build my company, and will what is it? I will work together with Telkom University, guys. Yeah, that's good, guys. That's good. Yeah, maybe for you guys who want to get scholarship, you must to prepare from now for a good result. Yeah, that's all for me, guys. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.